Discover the emotion of victory in motion. Home of knee repair, not knee replacement.
First couple of weeks, we're going to limit you 40, 45 degrees. And then, over that period of time from the 2-week to the 4-week, we're going to get you to the 90. And then after 4 weeks, we're going to, get as much range of motion as we can. If you look at the MEAC protocol, it says no passive range of motion. The thought is with that is if you actively do it, you may be putting stress on the graft. I'll be very honest with you. That's one that I have a lot more leniency with, to be honest with you, because we know the amount of stress or strain on the ACL during, range of motion from that range is virtually, if not zero. So I have no problem educating the patient if they're doing it on their own in their brace of kind of more of a active assisted range of motion. And I prefer to do it over a table where they've got the other leg behind and they're just slowly lowering it down and that kind of stuff. And the big thing is not forcing it. So if you're a PT out there and this is the first bear, you haven't had a lot of experience with bear, your innate thought is, oh gosh, I gotta push on them. I gotta get the range of motion back so they're gonna get stiff. That traditionally is not the case. They may be stiffer to start than a reconstruction, but they tend to catch back up on the back end. So being super aggressive or super conservative usually ends up in where the trouble lies. So lining yourself up with more in that middle ground of accepting what the tissues will give you is going to yield the best results there.